Did you know that in 2021, India introduced a law that changed how Meta operates in one of the world's largest online markets? India's new IT Act forced Meta to make big adjustments, from hiring local representatives to setting up fast-track processes for content removal. It's a law that's raising eyebrows for its impact on social media power and freedom of speech. Stick around as we dive into the details of this law and explore how it's reshaping Meta's presence in India. Welcome to Bizarre Regs, where we dig into strange and surprising laws that impact the world's biggest companies. So, what exactly is the IT Act? The Information Technology (IT) Act is India's main framework for governing digital content and internet regulations. In 2021, India updated this law to require social media companies like Meta to address issues of public order, misinformation, and illegal content more swiftly. The new changes came with strict guidelines. Social media platforms had to set up a local compliance office, appoint a grievance officer based in India, and establish faster processes to address complaints and remove flagged content within 24 to 36 hours. And here's the kicker. Non-compliance could lead to criminal charges for company officials and even a nationwide ban on the platform. India's IT Act changes had a big impact on Meta. To comply, Meta had to hire local representatives to work directly with the Indian government, a move not required in most other countries. Meta also built a content moderation team specifically for India, with staff responsible for reviewing flagged posts and removing anything that might disrupt public order. This meant faster response times, more oversight, and a new focus on Indian laws. Essentially, Meta had to create a regional compliance system to keep operating in one of the world's largest internet markets, with over 400 million users in India alone. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's a major shift in how Meta operates globally. Here's a bizarre fact. India's IT Act also requires companies to trace the origin of certain messages. For platforms like WhatsApp, owned by Meta, this means creating a way to identify who sent a particular message without breaking end-to-end encryption. But critics argue that this traceability feature undermines privacy and could discourage free speech. The regulation has sparked a heated debate, with privacy advocates warning that it sets a troubling precedent for internet freedom. So why the controversy? On one hand, supporters of India's IT Act argue that it enhances accountability. The government wants to curb fake news, hate speech, and illegal content, issues that are prevalent in a massive online ecosystem. By enforcing quick content removal and local representation, the government believes it's protecting the public and ensuring social media platforms are held responsible. But on the other hand, critics claim these rules put immense pressure on companies to comply with government requests, potentially limiting free expression. There's also concern that Meta and other companies could over-censor to avoid legal troubles, creating a chilling effect on what people post and share online. So what's next? India's law could inspire similar regulations in other countries. As emerging markets grow their digital economies, governments worldwide are paying close attention to how India handles tech companies. For Meta, this means navigating a complex web of regulations that vary by region. The compliance requirements in India may just be the beginning of a broader trend in social media regulation. But one thing's for sure, India's IT Act has set a precedent, showing that governments can directly shape how global platforms operate within their borders. Thanks for watching. If you thought this was interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech regulations, and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Got a thought on social media regulations? Drop it in the comments below. This is Bizarre Regs, where we keep the world of social media weird, one law at a time. See you next time.